Hello YouTube, I'm in Harbor Freight. I'm with a friend of mine. We're picking up a generator. This is the one we're going with. Full-blown 30 amps on each leg on the 220. And it's got the 30 amp L5 30 on it, the twist lock. Here's the 6500. 25 amps. We're getting ready for shit hits the fan scenario. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to do a test run on the 9000 another day. We're going to show it off, and we're going to show you the panel that we're going to have made for it by a licensed electrician. With that, thanks for watching. Prepare, folks. Things are going to get ugly very, very fast. Godspeed. God bless America, whatever's left of it. Share, like, and subscribe.